Hello and welcome to Trading 5 Talents. This is my portfolio and lifestyle trading update for July 2021. Before we begin, just want to say I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. This content is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Now let's get into the video. So as you can see, been pretty profitable over this past year. There was 1 month, you can see here in April, that I was trying out a few different strategies. Actually, it was March and April, trying out a few different strategies in addition to the wheel strategy. So, alert services, either buying calls or buying puts, depending on, what the alert was doing. And you can see it didn't do very well. So even though I was trading the wheel, I lost more money than I made trading the wheel. So I actually had a net loss of $173.83. But since then, it's just been only the wheel strategy and it's been doing very well. So I want to update on July. So you can see in my trade log, I actually modified it slightly. I added in a new line for total profit, and then I came down here and did personal profit and personal loss. And the reason I did that is because this is when I started the lifestyle trading. And remember, the lifestyle trading is basically using the wheel strategy in order to make purchases on things that I either purchased or other obligations that I have to pay off. So I'm using the asset of the wheel strategy to pay off these different liabilities. If you want more information about lifestyle trading and how I set up this whole concept, then there's a link down in the description about lifestyle trading overview, and then one specifically about what I'm going to be updating right now, and that is my LASIK eye surgery payoff. So I added this section down here underneath my trading log dashboard, and you can see this is for LASIK. I'm starting here in July of 2021, and I started right in the middle of the month. So I added this 50% because that just sort of gives me an indication that I did not have a full month to trade the wheel. And despite only trading the wheel for approximately 15 days of the month of July, I still made the target that I needed to make. Now remember, my goal is to make 6% a month. And overall, I made just over 7% for the month of July, and that was great. I hit my particular target. I was going for 1504, and I personally, and just in my personal brokerage account, made 1776. So that's wonderful. But for my lifestyle trading, my goal was to make $409.02. That was from my lifestyle trading calculator. I went through that video in the LASIK payoff video. So my goal was 6%, but I made just over 7%. So you can see in the first month that I'm starting this lifestyle trading plan, I actually made the necessary amount needed to pay my tithe, as well as the payment for the LASIK payoff. So we are already a few days in August, and you can see that I'm on track, but at the end of August, I'll give an update to see how that pans out. But I just wanted to give this quick update that for July, goal was met for the personal profit and the goal was met for the lifestyle trading. So if you have any questions about this, go ahead and leave a comment down below and I'll answer it as quickly as possible. In the meantime, if you want more information about the wheel strategy, or if you want to know how I'm using it for lifestyle trading, go ahead and click on the subscribe button, turn on the notifications so you can catch all the updates. Until next time, trade wisely and take care.